Patios House is an architectural masterpiece by Studio MK27, led by Marcio Kogan, located in Mangaratiba, Brazil. Covering an area of 600 square meters, the house was completed in 2020 and designed to dissolve into its natural surroundings. From the sea, it appears almost invisible, just a thin slab separating the lush mountain greenery from the sandy beach. The residence is composed of 2 wide and low volumes, positioned along an elongated plot. At the center lies a lush patio that serves as both a connector and the heart of the home. The front volume opens entirely toward the ocean, framing stunning views of the horizon. With glass panels that slide away completely, the living room, pool terrace, and inner patio become one seamless space, creating a barefoot lifestyle that feels both effortless and intimate. The kitchen and TV room are contained within a wooden box wrapped in eucalyptus shutters. This element not only provides shade and privacy, but also reinforces the tropical character of the home. Meanwhile, the rear volume houses 5 suites, each with its own private patio. These courtyards bring natural light and fresh air into every bathroom, enriching the daily living experience. Materiality plays a central role in the design, striking a balance between simplicity and texture. The eucalyptus shutters are paired with raw brick walls along the sides of the house and exposed aggregate concrete floors. These rustic elements embrace imperfection, creating an atmosphere that feels natural, tactile, and timeless. Inside, the home achieves harmony between sharp geometry and inviting warmth. Every piece of furniture is carefully selected, blending rustic accents, soft finishes, natural textures, and clean, minimalist designs. The result is a tropical interpretation of modernism, where elegance meets comfort in perfect proportion. The landscape design by Rodrigo Oliveira enhances the architecture by seamlessly bridging built form and nature. Green gardens, shaded patios, and the earthy aroma of the soil blend with the salty sea breeze, turning the house into a multi-sensory experience. It's not just a place to look at, but a place to feel and inhabit fully. Patios House stands as a representation of tropical modern architecture, grounded in the earth, yet reaching toward the horizon. With clean lines, natural materials, and a deep connection to its environment, this home redefines coastal living as relaxed, sustainable, and joyful. A perfect example of how modern design can exist in harmony with the richness of nature.